So it's a little darker now. Stuff will show up a little better. So ceramic coat on the Avalanche. It's got HIDs, low highs, all LED lights inside the truck and out. It's got them quite a few stuff: Nerf bars, tow mirrors, bull bar, and a 20-inch LED light up front. There's the see the daytime LED lights and all the LED lights. They also light up in the truck. LED lights up top in there, and I got some lights that light up on the mirrors, that light up the back. Plus the reverse lights are LEDs, and the tail lights are all LEDs. Got some fog lamps down at the bottom that are LED. Kick some light on real quick. First I'll turn the back on, and you can see the door LEDs, all the doors LEDs up top, and even in the mirrors. Oh, there's being a little tricky. There you go. LEDs in the mirror, all the mirrors. There's how much the lights light up the back. Those little LED fog lamps, pretty bright, light up everything. And go back up, turn those off. Put the spotlight on for a minute. There's the light bar up front. Lights in the truck. Okay. Kick the fog lamps on. Oh, that's right. I forgot I gotta have them started. So we'll start it. Got remote starter and alarm. Lights on up front. Got HIDs, 55-watt kits on the lows, the highs. The fog lamps are 55-watt HID. They're all 10,000K color. Throw the brights on for a minute. But you can see the lights underneath. And then here's the high beams. Off. It also has inside and in the back lights, LED lights on all the floor. This mirror too is LED. There we go. That mirror is LED. Driver's light, that's LED. All the lights in the truck are LED. Map lights, all the doors. So that's that. Right, those are the LED lights in the back. Kick on, those little 6 inches go crazy. And up front, there's the light bar up front. So it brights everything up. We also got the tow mirrors. We got, I want to open the door up and it lights up everything for you a little bit, but the tow mirrors have turn signals in the front and the back. Turn signals in here go like that, right there. That's all that. And the back, LED lights back there. I'll kick the big LEDs on for a second here. Take one more look at it. That's the light bar up front. It's super bright. Brights everything up. And I will kick that one off. And here's some good light. You can see off those back LEDs I got. They bright up everything. I'll kick them off. Right there, so you can see what I'm talking about. Kick them off. There's the window off. Lights also. We do 18 different colors of LED lights, and they're all remote. So show that real quick. It's got a green. These are all the different colors it can do. And the lights inside are doing the same colors that's underneath the truck. Whatever the truck on the outside is doing, the ones on the inside are doing the same that I showed earlier. Back to the white, and then we can shut it off and close it down, and there's pretty much everything that's on it. Alright, the truck's pretty dry, so let's do a quick water test on the Avalanche and see how the ceramic coat is holding up. So I got just a hose. Let's see what we got. That's the ceramic coat. It's on down on that stuff too. And on Nerf bars. We'll go right down. There we go. That's all that's left. The ceramic coat.